Before you begin, I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will not miss any of our entertaining videos to take care of your health. Take a spoonful of this every morning, and look what happens to your body in 45 minutes. Cinnamon is a seasoning with gratifying aroma and flavor. And it is not only a spice, but an ingredient that greatly benefits our health. Cinnamon is considered a miraculous food, and science has shown that its components provide substantial health benefits. In addition to being very enjoyable, the benefits of cinnamon make this spice an alternative remedy of great value. After eating 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and after your body digests it, after 45 minutes, this is what happens to your body. Your body responds to insulin more effectively and regulates blood sugar levels. It favors the correct digestion of food and relieves intestinal discomfort. It reduces and combats the proliferation of cancer cells in our body. It produces an anticoagulant effect and improves blood circulation. We get a calming effect, especially for arthritis pain. It avoids the proliferation of bacteria in food. Cardiac diseases are prevented and the function of the colon is improved. We get more energy and we avoid the exhaustion, revitalizing our organism. It reduces the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels and tumors. How to use cinnamon powder. Each morning add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to coffee, a lemon juice, juice of any fruit, a cup of milk or a cup of tea of your choice. You can also add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a spoonful of honey. Finally, the important thing is that you add that teaspoon of cinnamon powder to your daily diet and you will improve your health in unimaginable proportions. Cinnamon is generally safe to consume, but if you notice any allergic reaction, such as dermatitis, avoid it. It is not recommended for pregnant women or during breastfeeding. Also in children under 6 years. If you have Crohn's disease or colitis, it is best not to consume it. It is also contraindicated for people who have liver diseases. If you like the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.